Installing a front riser card and PCIe adapter. Align the screw holes on the riser cards with the corresponding ones on the cages. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the riser cards to the cages. Connect the cables to the riser cards. Rotate the latch on the riser cage to the open position. Align the PCIe adapter with the PCIe slot on the riser card. Then, carefully press the PCIe adapter straight into the slot until it is securely seated. Rotate the latch on the riser cage to the closed position. Tilt the low-profile cage and insert it into the latch on the full height one. Tighten the screw and make sure the low-profile cage is secured. Push the front riser cage into the chassis. Tighten the screw on the rear of the front riser cage to secure the cage to the chassis. Connect the cables to the processor board. Install the top cover.